MJD here with another little lovely update for you. So I'm here with this private registration Nissan Note. It's got the following warnings. We've got a key symbol, we've got an auto stop start flashing symbol. The customer's complaint is a no crank, no start under specific circumstances. Our diagnostic system shows that we have a faulty clutch switch position sensor. Right, so I've had a quick look here. As you can see, my torches there. So this has recently been into Nissan for a heater motor, I believe, or a blower motor. I don't know if you can see that there. I don't know how clear that is in camera. That clutch switch there has absolutely no input whatsoever to this, as you can see. So that needs adjusting clearly, and that's just adjusted by pushing it up through there, like you see. And then we're going to check the other one out, but what I'm going to do is clear the codes to make sure that the clutch position switch doesn't report a fault when it is cleared. Provided that's all cleared, it doesn't report a fault, I'm going to believe that that little plunger there, it just needs pushing in a few millimetres. So we'll see if we can get this one resolved today for the customer. Yeah. MJD just for the final repair video on this Nissan Note. So in order to fix this issue, if you unplug the sensor connector there, or you don't even need to unplug it, you can just keep it in. Rotate the sensor 90 degrees or so, push it in till it makes contact, and revolve it 90 degrees again. You should be able to see there as we push it, comes on. So and then if we start the car up now, the theorisation goes that we shouldn't have any warning lights on. All should be right as rain. Make sure that connector is plugged in and clipped in. Should be right as rain. Plug her in, switch her on, turn it on. We should have no warning lights. We can see the key warning light's gone now as well. That's all sorted. All sorted. So I cleared the faults before we did that. What we're going to do is we will go into the engine.